Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn some adjustments to the photo, like effects, crops, and filters. So, let's put an image on the editing area, go to Elements, and search for what you want. We search for a nature photo. Some are free and some are in pro version, so be careful. Now we zoom it to work easier. You can crop the photo like this. Here you can rotate it. And also expand it as you wish. To start editing the photo, click on Edit Photo up here. Then you'll see effects, filters and so on. Let's try with filters. Here you have many filters you can use. Also, you can drag the cursor and set the intensity of the filter how you want. If you don't want the filter, you can click None here to remove the filter. Here you can see the effects. Let's try with blur effect. You can use the blur as a brush to blur some areas, or you can blur the whole image. If you don't want, click down here, remove the blur. And down here are some special apps you can use for the photo. On the Magic Studio here, like Magic Edit, you can brush some areas and put a text how you want to edit that area, easier. Like blur. As we see now, the area is blurred. On the Adjust section, you can adjust the effects of the photo. You can auto-adjust. Also, you can adjust some areas you want or the whole image, and use the intensity of the effect. Here are the temperature and the tint. Here is the light effects, like brightness, contrast and so on. The color section, here you can adjust the color of the photo. On the texture section, you can adjust the texture of the photo. And down here you can reset the adjustments if you don't want. On the crop section, you can crop the photo on the example sizes, or you can use free crop to crop the photo on the size you want. Click the flip button here to flip the photo horizontally or vertically. Here you can adjust the borders of photo. On the Animate tab, you can add an animate effect to the photo. Here you can adjust the position of the photo as you want. Here you can adjust the transparency of the photo, and also lock and unlock the photo if you don't want to edit it more. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.